Here's a 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. It was thoughtfully designed, yet is rebellious by nature, creating an energetic and unmistakable drive. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed over all but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.